In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your store's location and currency information on Big Cartel. Whether you're moving to a new place, updating your business details, or expanding your operations, having the correct information is essential for your store's seamless operation. Let's dive right in and make those important changes together. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your control center, the place where all the magic of your store happens. Once you're logged in and on your pretty familiar dashboard page, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Here, you will see an Account option. Click on that. This is where you manage all your account settings, which, in turn, influence how your store is seen by the world. Now scroll down until you spot the section titled Location and Currency. This is a critical part of your store's settings as it informs customers about where you're based and which currency they'll be transacting in. At this point, you should be able to see the Edit Location and Currency option. Go ahead and click on this. Once you're in the location and currency area, you'll notice various fields allowing you to input your address details and currency preferences. Here is where you'll make the necessary updates. Start with your street address, ensuring it's accurate and spelled correctly. Next, update your city. This is important not only for customer trust, but also for logistical reasons regarding shipping and taxation. Then, proceed to update your state and zip code. Ensuring that these accurately reflect your actual business location is crucial, as discrepancies can lead to unexpected issues with deliveries or regional regulations. Now that you have updated these details, take a moment to double-check everything to make sure there are no typos or errors. Accuracy is key, especially with these kinds of updates, because they affect both your customer's experience and your back-end logistics. When you're confident that everything is correct, there's one last step to solidify these changes. You'll find a Verify Address option below the location details you've just updated. Click on this to confirm that the information is correctly input into the system. Once done, you've successfully updated your store's location and currency settings. That's it. It's a simple process, but an important one that ensures your store continues running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for following along, and now your Big Cartel store is up to date with the correct location and currency information. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to help optimize your store like a pro.